What is going on, guys? It's Ayodele here. In this video, let's go through the gold USD chart together. I want to do a little weekly analysis on gold and see where we are probably headed to, and areas where we can probably take trade from this week. Okay, first off, let's clean our chart up so we can all start afresh. Okay, all right, so let's go on the weekly time frame. Let's see what we're having. So on the weekly time frame, what we can see here is that the market create a high, then create a low, then create a high, which is below this previous high. If you look at it, you see that we didn't read it, all right? Then this high right here creates a low. This low takes out this, right? So for a normal market structure, right? Normal market structure, textbook trades, we can tell that obviously this is a break of structure right here, because this weak low was taken out by this strong high. Okay, all right, so moving forward from there, we can see that after we take this low out, which we can call our external liquidity for this range, which we are analyzing at the moment, we took it, then we pull back. Now with this pullback, let's see if we actually read the high again. Okay, we can see that obviously we didn't read the high again, which signifies that that high is actually a strong high. Okay, so from here onward, what do? There is one thing that I adopt in my trading, is that it's good to look to the left side of the chart to see what is going on there. Okay, but personally I like to look more onto the right side of the chart and follow the trend, because majority of the time when we're looking at the left side of the chart, what we are doing is actually we are trying to find a point where the market may actually reverse from. That is what the left side are meant for. But for me, I look at the right side, and anytime that I notice that the trend has changed on the right side, then I can tell that that might probably be the point where the market is trying to start the reversal from, or yeah, it might be a reversal point. Okay, so in this case, what am I going to do here? So we already know that this eye wasn't taken out, right? We tested this eye and we are coming down back, and internally we start breaking some structure to the downside. Okay, so we want to mark points which we believe the market might actually react from. We call them reaction, and keep in mind that we are on a daily on a weekly time frame here, which is a very big time frame. All right, so a little reaction on this time frame could actually mean a lot of movement on lower time frame. All right, so marking the key levels here doesn't actually signify that you are going to take a trade instantly from that level. We have to go to more lower time frame to refine, and you guys find a better entry with a lesser risk. All right, so this point onward here, I'm going to pick it. All right, before I pick it, don't let me just pick it randomly so I won't confuse you guys. Let me tell you the exact reason why I'm picking it, right? It's like a free lesson, right? All right, so I pick my Fibonacci tool, then I take the swing point high to this swing point low, All right, this low we're coming from here, right? And we can see that this level is exactly the 0.5% of this range, which we can call the discount area. Do you understand? Can actually call that our discount area. Anything from this level downward is a discount area. So from this level, I'm marking this other block right here. Okay, all right, and just so I can remove my feed, let me just use this tool to mark my 0.5 level, 0.5. Then we can take out the feed. All right. So at all time, I always like to keep my chart clean. Yeah. Okay. So on weekly time frame, our job is done here. For me, my job is done here because I can tell you for a fact that within this week, if we react to this zone alone, it will be enough for me to take whatever I trade I want to take, and I'll make my profit for the week. And if this zone is taken out by the end of the week or anything, by next week, I'll come again, look for any other zone, and we do the same thing over and over again, right? So, but for now, on weekly time frame, this is all we want to mark out. Then let's go to daily time frame. Okay, so on daily time frame, we can see that we have a lot of sell momentum here. We have a lot of huge sell here. We barely have a buy candle, just a small one. The sell is very, very huge. So after every push like this, what we are supposed to expect as a normal trader, you don't even need some advanced knowledge for you to know this thing, right? You have a lot of sell pressures, right? You have a lot of what do you call it? Sell side imbalance or whatever you call it. You should expect some kind of correction. It is normal, right? Even if you trade break and retest, you have a break of a strong zone. This is a zone that is kind of strong. Zone, right? You break it down, you should be expecting a retest, right? No matter your strategy, at least that is what you're supposed to expect. So if this is our external liquidity for the daily time frame, and we took it out, right? We are expecting that the market will tap into some form of demand level and push back to fill some imbalances here, yeah, before continue the sell movement, because generally the market is pushing down, right? But after every push phase, we have a correction phase. So now we've pushed to the downside. We are entering into a weekly demand that is in a discount zone, and we need to fill some imbalances to the upside. Do you feel any kind of, do you understand, any kind of confluence building up right there? It actually is looking like the market will actually reverse at any point in time. But we don't decide for the market. We let the market do whatever it wants to do, but we keep our eye on the buys more. Why? Because we sell down so much, we've pushed down very much that the market needs to correct itself. If I just blindly go into sell at this level we are currently, I might make some profit, but actually I'm taking a lot of risk because the market has pushed down so much. We have like almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 5 days of bearish candle. No single bullish candle within those 5 days, right? So the market at least needs to correct itself before continue the sell momentum, right? So I personally, this level will actually be a level where I might be stopping my buys if I am going to take the buy positions from here. I might be stopping exactly at this level, just You can open your chart, mark up these same levels that I'm marking, and wait for the price to react from this demand zone and target this level. That is where I might be taking off my buys, or if I see that the market is, if there are some fundamentals that support whatever we are trying to do, maybe buy or something like that, I might actually look to target this low right here. But whichever way, that will be the level where I'm targeting, right? So let's go on 4-hour time frame. Okay. Okay. Okay, so within this weekly time frame right here, let's see if we have any interesting POI that we can look to trade from. Okay, let's see. We have high. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, all right. Personally, I will be looking to target this level right here, this level. And why? Because we have a lot of, you can even see it, we have a lot of special characters right here. We take I, we sweep down back, then we come back here again, we retest it again, we go up, then we come back down, get to this point, and we react again, right? So within the weekly demand zone, you can hear me, please send 1,000 GTN. Okay. So within the weekly demand zone, we might be looking at this level. We might not take the trade directly from this level, but price might get to this level and give us an intent to buy. Then we might actually follow through from here, and our target will be here or here, right? Target for the week. So we can take a couple of trades within that push phase, or within that buy retracement like that. So, but this is actually what I'll be waiting for this week on gold. And if there is any possible trade that I see on lower time frame, I will send them to the Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description box. And this is my simple, no too much complications, no too much technical jargons analysis for gold. So if gold push into this level, give me my reaction, give me an intent that it wants to buy, I will buy, and I will follow it through to those level I mark right there. So without wasting much of your time, I will see you next week. If you enjoy this type of video I put out, like, comment, share, and also follow me on social media platforms. Join my Telegram channel because I do give signals, and I'm planning to start sending some weekly breakdowns on gold, on Euro USD, and some other pairs. So generally, some analysis that will help you as a trader to grow, and where we can actually connect, share knowledge and share ideas, and take a weekly or daily or midweek outlook on where we are looking to take trades and possible setups. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.